Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Bandana Barua, your new principal. I feel blessed to serve the future leaders of our nation. Every child is a different kind of flower, and together you all make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day.
Your integrity and honesty make us proud. May you keep the APS Panagar flag flying high.
Grow up to be responsible, reliable, and rational individuals.
Thank you for making our life extraordinary.
We want to thank you for always cooperating with us and for being patient throughout.
You are the building blocks of our nation, and we want you to become the ideal citizen which our country deserves.
The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day.
You show exemplary self-discipline. May this quality lead you to excellence always.
You have mastered teamwork like no other. May your bonds grow stronger.
Children's Day is a day dedicated to children and also a day that is dedicated to love.
Never let the kid in yourself go and make sure to take care of it.
All our sacrifices and hard work are for you, and you are everything to us.
The whole school and especially your teachers are always by your side.
On this very special day, we look forward to spending some more mesmerizing moments with you because you are very, very special.
Remember that as teachers we believe in your potential to do better.
What is life without children? It's like a world without sun, moon, and stars. Children, you are really special.
You show respect to all the elders. May you spread this beautiful value all around.
As the future generation of tomorrow, kindly take care of the environment and be kind towards the needy.
Whatever you aspire to become, as teachers, we are here to support and guide you to achieve your goal.
Have been consistent, dedicated, and optimistic in the journey. Thank you for not giving up on hard times. Your involvement and contribution is significant in our lives.
Every little deed of yours adds meaning to all our endeavors. May your care and commitment inspire everyone around you.
You have proved us your worth and made us proud of your strengths and hidden capabilities.
मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलता है जिनके हौसलों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
You fill our lives with smiles and laughter. May you continue to be the messenger of happiness and joy.
Take the experience of one-time learning and give your best.
In spite of difficulties, you have not lost the spirit of education, and it is incredible that how you have adopted this new system.
Your thoughtfulness is appreciated. May this aspect of your personality touch lives around you.
A smile of yours can show heaven on earth.
The twinkle of your eyes can steal us for ages.
You are a gift of God to us. May the purity of your heart never fade.
You always teach us that every smallest thing can make us happy. We are happy to learn from you.